This is the city of Detroit. Are we all ready to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marcus Dion Garner. Case numbers SP 1243602, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I didn't hear you, sir.
I'm waiting on your counselor.
Ronald Debo, P63897, on the behalf of Marcus Garner.
All right, the offer for your client today is to plead to the amended count of improper plates. That's a 0-point offense. That's a misdemeanor. However, I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment of $240. And with the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the driver's license suspended. I will give your client an opportunity to produce a driver's license and insurance, and we'll dismiss both if he can do so.
Mr. Garner, do you have your driver's license and insurance?
I have the insurance, but my driver's license, I had a document sent after that, and they said if I get all my legal things together, I could get my license back.
Well, this legal thing is not preventing you from getting a driver's license, sir. So I don't know if you have some in other jurisdictions or not. What do you want to do? You want to come back on another day? You want to take this deal, or you want to set it for trial?
Good deal, Mr. Garner. Yes.
I'll take the deal so I can get my license back.
Well, what I'm trying to tell you, sir, this is not preventing you from getting a license. I can give you a pretrial date, May the 13th. You can go get a driver's license, come back with that driver's license and insurance.
That's your other option, Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner,
Yes.
the issue you have before, cross talking, but the issue you have before you today is not going to solve your other issues. If you want to take care of your other issues and come back, it might save you some money. That's your alternative. Or if you'd rather not come back, just take care of it today.
Yeah, I just take it to 240 fine and take care of it.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Now we're making a brown sugar egg with
Raise your right hand, sir.
mango sorbet on top of a coconut chocolate nest.
Galaxy X20, you got to mute. I think your TV's getting picked up. Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
I didn't hear you, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I told you today?
No, sir.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to August the 28th, 2021 at around 8:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Otter Drive and Rainier. Sir, did you have an occasion to be pulled over by a Detroit police officer on that day?
Yes.
On that date, were you operating a 1996 Chevy?
Yes.
Were you asked to produce valid insurance on that vehicle?
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I didn't have it at the time, not with me, but we had insurance.
All right, well, if you didn't have it, I mean, I tried to give you an opportunity to get this stuff together. So I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates, sir. And I'm gonna fine you $240. I told you I dismissed that upon payment. Sir, with stipulation of proper cause, counsel, I'll dismiss the driving while license suspended.
We stipulate.
All right, sir, when can you pay that $240?
Well, I just started back working, so I probably need about a month.
You know, you tell
I just
me, no, wait a minute. I give you an opportunity to clear this up and give you some time. And you tell me I just want to pay the $240. And then when I say, okay, we'll make we'll let you take the deal. Now you ask me for some time to pay it.
Well, I could try to scramble it up.
I don't understand the logic in that. Hey, by April the 18th, 2022, set it for a review. 8:25. I need to see you on that morning, April 18th. If you come in, it's paid. We'll dismiss the case. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Your
Have a
Honor.
great day.
You too.
All right. Go, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. You got a driver's license and insurance, sir?
I have my driver's license. I don't know. They don't have that car no more. It was moving the
Run
car.
this driver's license, please.
Excuse me.
This is, no, we're gonna check your driver's license. This. City of Detroit versus Martez Tyron Gomez, case number SP 121-713, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P697 on behalf of Mr. Gomez.
All right, Mr. Gomez, state your name for the record, please.
Martez Gomez.
Offer improper plate, $240. Dismiss upon payment of $240. See if you have a driver's license.
Yes, I have my driver's
Do
license.
you have a vehicle now, sir?
No, it wasn't my vehicle, sir.
I didn't
I'm
ask you
attached.
that. I didn't ask you that. I asked you, do you have a vehicle now?
No, not at the moment.
Driver's license is valid, counselor. All right, sir. It's your obligation to know that whenever vehicle you're borrowing or driving has valid insurance on it, all right?
Yes. Can I
All right,
I say something, Your Honor?
No, no. Dismissed. Have a great day, sir. Just make sure you get into it when you get into a vehicle next time. Make sure they have some insurance before you drive.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
How do you know who you are?
Osley Wilson.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Who's on that Galaxy?
Andrea Lorana.
What's your name?
Andrea Lorana.
Barack. All right. City of Detroit versus DeMarcus Osley Wilson, case number SP 1222687, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Ronald Debo, P697 on behalf of DeMarcus Wilson.
Yes.
State your name for the record, sir.
DeMarcus Wilson.
Is that some kind of scarf you have on your head, sir?
Oh no, it's just my do-rag. I just got up. I apologize for that.
Please take it off.
Raised together after court, all right?
I took it off.
No, I said get them together after court, but while we're in court, with,
All right, sorry.
We got
Wilson?
Osley Wilson.
That's what you
Oh, got it.
O-U-S-L-E-Y.
I'm trying to get his driver's.
Did I pronounce that right?
Yes, I have my driver's license also too.
Driver's
Hold on.
license is valid.
Yeah, and I want this, just a speeding chart up. I want to see how speed all over.
All right, listen, sir, I'm gonna offer you a blocking traffic, $175. You gotta slow down. That's a 0 point offense. That's a 0
I
point
can't hear you.
offense. I've said I'm gonna offer you blocking traffic, set $175. That's a 0 point offense. That's akin to an expensive parking ticket. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. And dismiss the other matter.
Okay.
You want that deal, sir?
Yes.
Okay, Counselor, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
We'll stipulate.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. Where your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop and the
Yes, sir.
dismissal of no insurance ticket. I mean, no operator's license ticket.
Yes.
All right, I want to dismiss the failure to display a valid driver's license, and I'm gonna amend the speeding, save you, what? 2 points on your driver's license and blocking traffic. That's gonna be a 0 point offense, $175. When can you pay, sir?
All right. This Monday coming up.
Okay, I'm gonna give you until March 25th,
Okay.
2022. I'm gonna set it for a review at 8:25. I want you to come back, make sure we close this out properly, so you don't get those points on your driver's license, and we can close it out, all right?
Do I come back to this? I come back to this Zoom call?
Come back to this Zoom room, make sure it's paid. Make sure it's paid on by that date, all right?
Do I come there or do I go online?
You can
Yes,
come
do it
down to the
online.
court and pay it. You can come down to the court and pay it, or you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, and you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. Those are the 2 or 3 best ways I know how to pay that. That'll give you your instant.
Okay. Thank you.
Obey.
Am I all set to go?
Yeah, unmute yourself, sir. You're free to leave, Mr. Wilson.
All right. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Asa obey. All right, we'll move on. Where's Dominique Garrett? You have her file this time?
I gave it to you, Mr. Jones.
I got it.
What time are it? How many years?
Oh, I just got a,
He's fine. With the chief after the.
Your Honor,
I'm on here.
yes,
how you doing?
how are you?
Good.
You have insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I have insurance.
Can you produce that insurance?
I have insurance. Yes, I have a copy of my insurance. I had a copy of my insurance when I got pulled over, and I'm not exactly sure. I pay insurance every month. I have my insurance
Yeah, I know,
here.
they do that sometimes. I don't know why. Produce that insurance, please.
What do I need to do?
Do it just like.
Hold it still.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Dominique Chanel Garrett, case number SP 11828-681. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P6397 on the behalf of Dominique Garrett.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the
I use
case.
this right here. This is
I got
the,
it already. I got it already.
I
I'm
think I
gonna
had
dismiss-
that. That was the last one. Okay.
Now, I'm gonna dismiss the case. You provided valid documentation, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Mr. Griffin? All right, you can't be smoking on camera, sir.
That's- He doesn't. I'm gonna flip him off.
All right.
He doesn't. Is that Asa Obeid? Am I saying that, is that first name right?
Yes, it's correct.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Asa Obeid, case number U59487121 and U59487221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Deville, P6897, on behalf of Asi Obeid.
Yes.
Versus cigarettes with all license.
No business license.
Are we gonna, what are you gonna
Yeah,
do?
give me one half second.
You gonna give them opportunity to get a license? All right, two options for you, sir. Take the deal that's 12-month delayed sentence with objection to early dismissal. So you put on there, he doesn't want it early, doesn't allow you early dismissal, $240 fine for that, dismiss the other case, or he'll give you 90 days to get a business license and provide those licenses to the court.
Your Honor, I submitted, because I'm a new owner, I took over in June of last year, and I submitted like all the applications, all the fees, and the fire marshal came last week. You know, I fixed a few things.
Sir,
You know,
sir, we don't
Yes.
need all the extra, that's the date for trial and stuff if you want. We'll give you 90 days to get the license, come back in 90 days with the license and he'll dismiss the case. If you don't have the license, we'll give you the deal, the same deal will be open on that day. You want that deal or you want to speak with the lawyer or you want me to set it for trial?
what's the deal? Like, what's the deal?
Speak to the lawyer, please.
Your Honor, if you get the license within 12 months,
I'm just gonna go ahead and let him speak to the lawyer.
but I just want to know if you get the license sooner, if you have patience.
Yeah, I'm working on the license. I need like a little time.
How much-
Just tell me.
You want to go into the breakout room with us, with me, Mr. Perkins? You see it?
I'm not going to the breakout room with you.
I'm sorry, I meant, Asi Obeid, I'm sorry, Mr. Perkins.
Yes.
Meet me in the breakout room, we'll talk.
Okay.
LaRock? City of Detroit versus Andrea Yvette LaRock, case number SP 1147871. Ms. LaRock. Let's see. That you have already signed up for 2 points on your driver's license, ma'am, by paying that ticket. I can't stress anymore that you need to set court dates before you just hand over your money. So you know what you're paying for, because when you paid that ticket, and I know you were trying to do the right thing, when you paid that ticket, you automatically signed yourself up for 2 points on your driver's license. You're gonna allow her to set this aside and block the traffic. Go with the 1 to 5.
But you know, yeah, all right.
All right, what we're gonna do this time, ma'am, is only one-time deal. I'm gonna allow you to set that responsible plea aside. And I'm going to allow you to re-enter into negotiations with that. See if you can get that 2 points off your driver's license. Counselor, can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. LaRock?
Ronald Debo, P63897 on behalf of Mr. Rock.
All right. Ms. LaRock has tried to get ahead of things, and I'm sure unbeknownst to her, when she paid that speeding ticket, she didn't realize she was signing up for 2 points on her license.
Mm.
Do you want to make a motion for her on your behalf of your client, counselor?
Can we withdraw that plea?
All right, I'm hearing no objection from the city attorney. I'm gonna allow her to withdraw her plea. And the offer right now is pleading to amended count of blocking traffic. I'm assuming you're gonna take that deal. We're gonna dismiss the other ticket and we'll amend it to blocking traffic, and we'll settle it, call it even with the fines and costs, ma'am, all right? You gotta unmute yourself, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
I think she's on mute.
Do you understand what's going on?
Yes,
All right.
Yeah, she'll
so
take the plea.
yes.
Okay.
I take the
All right, we're gonna set aside. It's so hot in here. It is like inferno.
That's what I'm saying right
Tell
now.
them to come and check this, that thing, please.
What is that?
It's gotta be 80 degrees.
It's like a comfortable 72 too.
No.
I think it's reading about that. Yeah, so I'm about to
Read the what, 80?
Yeah,
I
so
told
I'm about to call from here.
I feel like I'm back in Miami.
Indoors.
With no breeze.
Oh,
Set aside responsible plea.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Set aside responsible plea. Amend the
Okay.
blocking traffic.
Okay,
Her
hold on.
fine
I'll
is
see.
Her fine is gonna be $204. We'll call it even. We'll dismiss, when he stipulates the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other case.
Thank you. Thank you.
Counselor, can I get that dismissal? I mean, that stipulation of probable cause?
Yes, we
Counselor?
stipulate the probable cause. Thank you for the dismissal.
And when your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea to the amended count of blocking traffic.
Yes, sir, we do.
All right, that's what it's gonna be. Ma'am, I suggest, and everybody on here, even small things like, what you think are small things like speeding tickets, can cost you big money along the way, because at 2 points, and once the insurance company gets a hold of you, then you're gonna wish, would have paid $500 for this ticket or hired Mr. DeBell or something. So make sure you think about that before you just go start paying stuff, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Bye-bye. Get out of here.
Mr. Obey, you understand what's going, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oscar
Yes.
Obey. You understand
Okay.
what's going on now, sir?
Yes, yes, I'll take the 90 days.
He's gonna take some time, to get everything fixed, and come back
Yes,
to your court. I believe you offered him 90 days to do that. Am I correct, Your Honor?
Yep, June
Okay.
the 16th, 2022 at 8:30, review. I'm gonna say, bring in valid business license. All right? June
okay.
16th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Mr.
Bye-bye.
iPhone, the gentleman with the braids up there to the left. What's your name, sir?
Darius.
Darius, what's your last name?
Darius Davis.
You might, here he is. I don't
Yep.
know how you got on my docket.
I got him on mine. Darius
I know,
Ron Davis.
I only handle the last names G, L,
Right.
or O.
That's what I mean. I have his ticket. I just got ROA. Let me see. What they do there.
Excuse me, Your Honor, can I get in the breakout room with Officer Belanger and Officer Nelson?
So,
Thank you, Your Honor.
good morning, officers. I already mentioned the officers, both of you already acknowledged.
Okay.
All right, let's, do we have a stick?
No.
We don't?
I'm gonna see if, I'm scared.
City of Detroit versus Darius Javon Davis, case number U 60185421. Appearance for the record, please. I guess they added another last name to our doc. Another
No,
letter to our doc.
they did not.
Look, it says my name on
Somebody scheduled that, the 022 must have changed it. Let me see what she did.
it. All right,
The judge of record.
well,
Ronald,
first of
Go
I
ahead.
only have a register of action. I don't have an actual ticket. So at date of trial, I don't proceed unless I have an actual ticket here, an actual complaint in front of me. I
Right.
don't know if your client wants to wait and come back on it and set it for a trial date, or if he wants to take the $240 deal. I'll dismiss this immediately upon payment. You can talk to your client about it and let him know what's going on if he doesn't understand.
Okay.
I think judge.
Oh, this is Southwest Detroit. That's why this came to me. They say he was acting a fool down there in Southwest Detroit. So all tickets out of the 4th precinct come to me, regardless of what the last name is.
Why is that?
Because I'm the community court. He's supposed to be here on Wednesday, yesterday.
Oh,
And then we clear the matters up with community services. And I'll let anybody in here clear the matter up with community service if they can't afford to pay or if they choose to do some community service. So, Mr. Davis, you understand what's going on, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Do you understand what's going on?
Yes.
Speak to the lawyer.
yeah, well, we should talk.
Do you follow him? Do you follow me, Mr. DeBell?
Yes, I'd like to talk to him in private. I kind of want to have an idea of what he did. If that's okay.
I might not want to know what he did or what they said. He might not have done. He might not have done anything.
Well, then he ain't gonna take a plea.
Well, anyway, a lot of times it doesn't matter if you're guilty or not. Those are terms of art. If you use the system, then it may or may not work for you.
All right,
All right, let's
this
move
is true.
on.
Okay,
Kennedy James, you look like you're at work, man.
Yes, I am.
What's
My name is
going on?
Kanaya Lanier.
Oh,
It's Kanaya Lanier, KLNIA, Lanier, LAR.
like Bob Lanier?
I think she's too young.
Well, she could be a relative. And I think
Oh.
it's spelled.
No, it's spelled different.
I'm sorry, I didn't
Lenear, I
hear you.
think.
She doesn't even know who Bob Lanier is, do you?
No,
All right, did you speak to Mr. Davis already?
No, I haven't
Oh, no.
spoken to anyone.
No,
I think
I'm
you're
talking
talking.
about
I haven't
Davis?
spoke. I haven't had a
Mr.
chance to
Davis,
talk to
join
him.
that breakout room again. He went in there. Join
Oh,
that
all
breakout.
right. All right, I'm going now.
Mr. Davis, do you know how to join that breakout room?
I don't know how to join it.
Not you, Miss Lanier, Mr. Davis.
I'm waiting on the
Oh.
notification to pop up, Your Honor.
It should already be there. It should
Oh,
already be there.
Mr. Davis,
Yes, sir.
I don't think we're in a breakout room. We're supposed to be in a breakout room. Something went wrong.
He doesn't know how to get in.
Join.
You don't know, you see something that said join breakout room?
Now he's in there.
All right, thank you.
All right, Miss Lanier. You owe money from 2015. Miss Lanier, are you there? Where did she go? All right.
I had to pay a $500 bond. I wouldn't have paid that.
Okay, you did. That should cover.
Huh? It said the ticket was like $452 or something like that. I had paid it.
Yes, I see. So you got a different kind of job now, huh?
I know I was actually a customer. I was just there and they was being raided.
Oh.
So I wasn't even, I was just there at a strip club, honestly, and they were being raided by the Detroit police.
I didn't tell you to tell all your business out there.
I don't care. Everybody go to the strip club.
Oh, dude, everybody goes?
I wasn't, but I didn't work there. I
Just
just was
ask.
there.
I'm not gonna ask nobody in here whether they go to the strip club. I'm not gonna do it. Let me see. Look at Mr. Jones is smiling like, I won't tell you what that means. All right, let's.
I really wish it can be thrown out because I don't have $400 just to be wasting on getting a lap dance.
Well, it's not gonna get thrown out now. It's back in 2015.
Okay.
It's already, that ship has sailed a long time ago. I don't understand how you get it. Well, I don't know. I don't know what you were doing up in that strip club or what they said you were doing, but I don't know how you get a ticket for being a customer. Every strip club I went to, I never got a ticket for being a customer.
Well, you don't go to those places.
They said that if you get a dance there, it's illegal.
Yeah, she's supposed to have a dance card. Did you have a dance card?
No,
I wasn't dancing. I was there.
She was a patron.
Oh, well,
and they said that if you get a lap dance outside of a lap dance area, it's illegal.
Yeah, I've heard that too. It's a bit of an area of expertise.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Darius Davis. What does your client want to do, counselor?
Oh, he's innocent. He wants to plead not guilty.
There we go. Trial.
Yep.
May the 13th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir. You got that, sir? Come back on May the 13th at 9 a.m. We'll take care of this, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
One way or the other.
What that mean?
All right, have a good day, sir. You're free to leave. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kanaya Marie Lanier, case number U16860-314. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P6897 on behalf of Kanaya Lanier.
All right, Ms. Lanier, you have a $500 bond here. I can do one of two things. I can allow you to come down to the court and to ask them to apply this bond, and then they'll apply the bond. You got to call the bond people up and tell them what you want to do, or you can come down to the court yourself. Yes.
She got to pay $2. So they're going to keep that $50 because it's a 10% bond.
Oh, so they're going to.
I mean, here.
I'm sorry. I'm being told they're going to keep 50 of those dollars. So you're gonna have to come down here and pay $2 extra.
How much extra dollars?
$2.
$2?
Yeah, what do I get? Yeah, $2. So you want to come down to the court and get this cleared up?
Yeah, how do I do that?
Come down to the court and ask
come
them to
down?
clear it up. Yeah.
Okay, come down there now.
I don't know, whenever you want to. Give me a date so I can put it on the calendar that you'll have it done by.
Okay, I can come on my lunch break today.
All right, we're gonna
At
put
12
it
p.m.
for, we're gonna set it for a review for March the 25th. So as long as it's cleared up by March the 25th, we'll close it out.
Okay, you said I gotta pay $2 extra.
Yeah, because what's gonna happen, you pay 500. They're gonna take 10% of that, $50 of that for a fee. So your balance is $452.
Okay.
You're gonna have to bring them $2 so you can have it closed out.
And I can't take care of this online, the $2 online.
Well, you could, it might cost you $2 to do it. You could. If you want me to put the request in that they'll apply that bond and then you pay the rest online?
Yes, please.
All right. Request to apply bond. You have an ink pen now?
Yes, I do.
Write this number down, please.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
343 965 5228.
Okay, that was 343-965-5228.
313. We're in the
Oh,
D.
313.
We're in the D.
Oh, okay, 965-5228.
All right. Call them up after in an hour or so and ask them to apply that bond, okay?
Okay.
And then pay that at any div dab kiosk, pay that $2. Any div dab kiosk, and then we'll get it cleared up.
Okay.
Is Galloway here?
Okay, I'm going to pay it today.
All right, have
Thank
a
you.
great day, man.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
Galloway.
Galloway. Oh, trial. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Where are you, Galloway? Miss Galloway? Well, you can't do it.
It's Galloway. Are you muted?
Yeah, she gotta, you want me to wait that warm fee? That'll make her pay less than that.
Wait, one.
And she gotta make.
Yeah, saving her some money. She's talking about a little money.
Yeah.
Good morning, how's it going? Thank you so much. What was that reading? What was that temperature reading?
Oh, on that, I was checking the thermostat because we got almost 53 degrees.
I know.
So I'm just trying to cool the whole building with the outside air.
It's hot in here, I'll tell you.
I know. Let me check your fan. If there's nothing coming out, I might have to go on top.
What did the thermostat say though? What did it say the temperature was?
It's about 75.
75?
Yes,
I
sir.
told you.
You're
it cost
close.
70.
All right, but where is Miss Galloway? Is she here?
I saw her, but I didn't hear her. I don't know what
No, move
issue.
on.
Very well.
Yes, I'm here. I just left the courtroom because I was told my trial's in the courtroom.
What?
Come on back up then. Well,
I'm
we
sorry,
don't
say it again.
You don't necessarily, are you outside the courthouse?
I just left, but I can go back. But I was told
No,
that
that's all right. You don't necessarily, you don't have to.
Okay.
You're not driving now, are you?
I am. I'm on bed rest for a month.
Well, you gotta pull over before I call your name.
Okay.
All right. Who's
Okay,
next?
I'll stop
Jordan,
at the Snicker.
what's your name, Jordan? Last name?
Oh, Max.
Lomax.
I see him. 4
You have
tickets.
insurance and plates and a driver's license?
Right now, I'm in the middle of, I got another ticket in Lincoln Park. It's stopping me from, they say I can take my permit or get my license.
You just drive all over the place and just get tickets, huh? At
But
least he doesn't just come ripping and running through the city of Detroit. He goes other places and rips and runs.
I just been jumping house to house. I ain't situated. I haven't been driving though for like a year.
He's like an ambassador.
What do you mean you don't have a steady home, sir?
No, not at the moment.
How old are you?
22.
And do you have an education?
High school.
You have a job?
Now, yeah.
What kind of job you have?
I work for a subcontract.
All right, well, they got a lot of employment opportunities now that I was gonna see if you want to learn about, but working. And that's good. All right, that's Galloway you pull over now?
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Yeah, you did break up. Can you hear me, Miss Galloway?
I can.
I can hear you.
Okay, I hear you now.
Okay.
You have 11 matters up for trial.
Call it again.
I mean, you have 11 matters pending and only 9 of them up for trial. I don't know what's going on with that.
Your Honor, the other ones are state matters.
No, I'm not talking about that. All right, we'll see. This is the city of Detroit versus LaJoya Galloway, case numbers SP 454980, counts 1 and counts 2. And count 3. U50928719. U53113219. What's that? U50928719 and U53094219 and U53113219. Then SP 1197579, counts 1, 2, and 3. We're also gonna call case numbers SP 1197581 and 2, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P6897 on the behalf of LaJoya Galloway, who's here via Zoom.
All right, so the 2 last case numbers I call are not a part of this trial for some reason,
Okay,
but we can include them in here because the officer is here now.
Hmm.
And the other officer is part of the one that's gonna get dismissed. I think it's gonna get dismissed.
all right.
So can you put your appearances on the record, please?
Ronald Debo, P6897 on the behalf of LaJoya Galloway, who's here via Zoom. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Galloway.
LaJoya Galloway.
Officer, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Lamont Nelson Bass, 4816 Detroit Police Department.
What precinct is that, Officer Nelson?
Your Honor.
I didn't hear that.
Officer Lamont Nelson, Detroit Police Department. Bass 4816.
What precinct?
Right now I'm currently working at narcotics.
Okay. Officer Bajali? You want to put your appearance on the record, officer? Or corporal?
You referring to me, Your Honor?
Yes.
I apologize. I am Corporal Value with the Traffic Enforcement Unit. My badge number is 114.
Okay, very well. All right, so we have what was the deal of amended count of blocking traffic, and we're going to dismiss all this other stuff for no officer. I have oh, okay, so here's the deal. The amended count of blocking traffic, stop $175 fine, and everything else is going to be dismissed. That offer is written up as follows. For the SP 1197579 counts 1, 2, and 3. That's written on the offer sheet here. It's amended count of blocking traffic. And those other 2 cases are dismissed. I'll entertain a motion to dismiss the other cases, the ones where the officers haven't appeared. And I believe Officer Nelson's ticket, there's no actual ticket in here, and I don't proceed without an actual complaint. So we'll dismiss those for that reason. And so essentially you're coming out of here with just $175 fine. I'll waive the warrant fee. She's going to be expected to pay the reinstatement fees for a driver's license. You can find out if your client wants to take that deal. I think that's pretty much a no-brainer.
What do you, LaJoya? I don't think we need a breakout room. That's an excellent deal. You're paying a small amount of money and you're not getting any points. And you got a whole lot of tickets. You need to clear this all up. Are you hearing me? You seem
Yes,
frozen.
I am. I have been paying my tickets actually. I just paid off Grosse Pointe Woods the day before yesterday.
We're not
Got nothing to do. We're not in Grosse Pointe.
Let's just keep it. We're talking about Detroit. So you want to take this deal now?
That is my recommendation. Yes.
You want to take the deal now?
Yes.
All right. All right, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible?
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
And will your client stipulate the probable cause for the stop and the dismissal of the other matters?
Yes.
All right, with that, I'm gonna find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm gonna fine you $175, ma'am. But I'm gonna dismiss the other matters and I'm gonna mark them accordingly. I'm gonna dismiss SP 454980 counts 1, 2, and 3 for no officer. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee on these matters, and you're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fee. I see you got 3 reinstatement fees here, ma'am.
I have 3 reinstatement fees.
Yeah, that's 100. That's gonna be a total of that's $45 a piece. And that'll be $135 for the reinstatement fees plus $175 for the blocking traffic. When can you pay that?
I thought I was paying that today because I was told that my court, the trial was.
Come on back in and pay it.
I'm sorry, say it again.
Come on back in and pay it.
Okay.
It looks like you're gonna owe $310.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have that today?
Yeah, well, I just paid for parking and then I just left, so I did have it. But I can. Do you guys accept Cash App? Or just
No,
cash?
I don't think they're that sophisticated yet. You can
Okay,
probably
well,
go. You could probably go upload the div that kiosk to your phone or go at the div. I don't know how. I don't know if Cash App is an option, but I don't know.
Well, I'm prepared to pay it today.
All right, if you bring that receipt up here, after you pay it, if you bring it up to the court and show the receipt, we can close these matters out.
Okay.
That's your best option, ma'am. Avoid any screw ups down
Maybe
the
that
road.
parking guy will let you back in right quick. You gotta put some game on.
Yeah, I can do
There you
that.
go.
I'm by the gas station, so I'm gonna stop at the gas station and just take some money off my debit card, and then I can just come back up there, just so I
Yeah,
don't
you
have to
got
run
money.
back and forth.
You got to pay it downstairs on the first floor first. Don't come back up. The judge isn't going to take your money.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna take your money.
Okay.
No, I'm not. All right, that seems like it'll do it. If you bring that back up here today, if you don't bring it back up here today, I'm gonna give you till March the 25th, 2022 to take care of this stuff. Review.
Thank you, but I will be back in a few minutes.
All right. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you as well.
All right, Mr. Lomax.
Yes, sir.
Write it down.
Scotch.
Oh, Scotch. No, I got this.
Scotch, I don't have any scotch.
No, we got-
I got some at home, but. Scotch.
Judge, I know what's wrong with it. I'm going to give you a temporary full blast air,
Oh, don't. do that.
okay? And as soon as you finish your docket, he's going to call me. I'll put a new party.
Well, put it this way, is it gonna be any hotter if you don't get the full blast air, or is it because Ms. Nash low?
I'll put my heat on, that's okay. I'll be good.
All right, put the full blast air on.
It's going to be cold.
Put the
Oh,
full blast
Lord.
air
I
on.
bring in outside air.
It's hot.
Unless you're going to wait till you're done and then I'll come, because I got to drill a couple of drills for the brake. It's got an old controller,
Okay.
so I'm going to take it out, put a brand new one.
Good.
Can I do it while you're on the bench?
Of course.
Okay, then I'll go and get things here. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
So you don't want any scotch? I told you I don't have any scotch now.
You gotta get
I
home.
get it home.
I quit that, Judge. Look,
I did too. I did too, but
I've been in a lot of trouble with that.
I have too. So I quit the scotch too.
Thank you.
I'm so naive and.
Corporal and Officer Nelson, You all are free to leave. I appreciate you. You both be safe out there, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
All right.
I appreciate you. You have a great day.
You too. Oh, Mr. Lomax. Lomax. We got a lot of stuff going on here, Mr. Lomax. This is the City of Detroit versus Jordan Malik Lomax, case number SP 1141155, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1141176, counts 1 and count 2. 204-00607, counts 1, 2, and 3. 204-57844, counts 1 and counts 2. 204-93844, counts 1, 2, and 3. 204-938-451. 217-318-05, counts 1, 2, and 3. 217-318-061. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P63897, on the behalf of Jordan Malik Lomax, who's here via Zoom. State your name, Mr. Jordan, or Mr. Lomax.
Jordan Lomax.
All right, I'm gonna set aside the warrants in the matter, enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. And what I need to do is I need to get an updated offer from the people on this file here.
Excuse me, Your Honor. May it please
Yes.
the Honorable Court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people. Your Honor, if it's possible for Mr. Lomax to pay his reinstatement fees and come back with a license, then I would be able to give him a much better and favorable offer. So I would like to give him that opportunity to do that.
All right, you hear that, Mr. Lomax?
Yes.
I got 9 reinstatement fees, which I'm gonna think is $405. Are you working with that type of money, sir?
Not so much, but it'll take a little minute,
How long?
like a couple weeks.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow you to pay your reinstatement fees up front. I can allow you to do some community service too. To get some of that stuff paid. But I'm gonna, on the SP 1141176 file, I'm gonna waive the late and the reinstatement fee on that. And I'm gonna set aside the default. So that gets you back. So that case is there. The reason why we're allowing you to pay the reinstatement fee up front, sir, is that'll get you clearances here. These cases will still be open, but you'll at least have clearances. And once you get your Lincoln Park stuff cleared up, you can go to the Secretary of State and get a driver's license. If you can come back with that driver's license, then the city attorney already indicated that he'll get you a real favorable offer. We're trying to make sure here in courtroom 434 that we try to help people get a driver's license and keep a driver's license. All right, so you're a young man, and it seems like you've been going through a few challenges. Hopefully, you find you're getting yourself on some firm ground, and you can start to get this stuff behind you. I'll give you, since you're being upfront, I'll give you 90 days.
All right,
And you can come
appreciate
back
it.
in 90 days. Do you think you can have, now what you're gonna have to do, if you can get that $405, you're gonna have to come down to the court, and you're gonna have to Ask them to tell the clerk, you're gonna have to come down here physically and tell the cashier that the judge told you you can pay the reinstatement fees up front. And you bring that $405 in, or bring $450 in, and just pay pay all those reinstatement fees. That'll get you clearances with the 36th District Court. So the Secretary of State will, if you qualify, you don't have anything else out there, then you can potentially get a driver's license. You come back in 90 days with that license, and then we'll see what we do about these tickets. You understand that?
Okay, I understand.
All right, I'm gonna call it a pretrial. And I say June 16, 2022 at 8:30. So regardless of what you do, you're gonna have to come back for a pretrial on June 16th. All right, write that date down. Have we talked before, Mr. Lomax?
No.
This is your first time being in front of me?
Mhm.
All right. All right. Let me see if I have everything down right. All right, so you understand what's expected of you, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you have any questions, you make sure you call us, all right?
All right.
And if you have any problems down there at the window, let us know. We'll be here, we're gonna have you back pre-trial June the 16th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., all right? Pay reinstatement fees up front. All right? Have a great day, sir. Free to leave.
I do have one question.
What's your question?
So is it after I pay my fees or dues with Lincoln Park, I'm eligible to get my license?
Yeah, potentially. Let's see. Run his license, please. Yeah, I don't know if it's no. You're gonna have to, before you go to the Secretary of State, you're gonna have to take care of Lincoln Park. That's what you know of, and you're gonna have to pay these reinstatement fees. Then you can go to reinstate. Then you can go to Secretary of State if you don't have any tickets anywhere else.
All right.
But the reinstatement fees are gonna get you clearances, so you can't go to the Secretary of State before you get clearances. And you're gonna need a clearance there in Lincoln Park as well, all right?
All right.
All right. If it's, well, we'll pull your driving record just to see if he has anything else that he doesn't know. So let's move on. If you want to sit tight, I can get you that driving record.
Yeah, did you say to recall warrants on the record already?
Yeah, I recall all the warrants on the record. And then set them up pre-trial date now, all the matters. Frederick Gordon.
Yes, sir.
Trial date. You dodged the bullet today, sir.
Oh,
let me see, Mr. Lomax. Lincoln Park, Detroit. Rochester. It seems like you took care of Rochester. In Plymouth. So you need to call Lincoln Park, Rochester, and Plymouth. 35th, 52-3, and 25th District Courts. You need to call, you need to make sure you got all those cleared up. And then pay this reinstatement fee here, all right?
All right.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Frederick Gordon, case number SP 11658051 and SP 11689221. Appearance for the record, please.
Ronald Debo, P63897, on behalf of Frederick. What's the last name again, please, Your Honor?
Gordon.
I know. Oh, Frederick Gordon. He's here for today for trial. Mr. Gordon, are you, I see you now. Please state your name, Mr. Gordon.
Frederick Gordon.
Thank you.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't have anything but ROAs and I don't have any officer in the room. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
I ask that this matter be dismissed.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Both of the cases, no officer. It's time was set for 9 a.m. I give the officers a half-hour grace period. It's now 9:42. I see no officers in the room and no officers called or checked in or anything. So I'm going to dismiss the cases and I'm going to waive the warrant fee on the one case. If there's nothing further, sir, have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, Mr. Green.
Yes,
You got yourself a gift today too, didn't you?
I hope so.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kamari Green, case number 0847083, counts 1 and 2. 124607361 18-383-6851. Appearance for the record, please. Well, it's not. You don't have a gift today because this is set for pretrial. This is all. They're messing up our docket, Ms. Nash.
No.
But go ahead, Counselor.
Ronald Debo, P63897. I didn't get the full name. What's his first name, please, Your Honor?
State your name for the record, sir.
Kamari Green.
On the last page at 9 a.m.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't go down far enough. Yes, Ronald Debo, P63897, on behalf of Kamari Green, who just stated his name. We're here for pretrial.
All right. Well, he's gonna get a little bit of a gift.
This is gory.
This is it. This is it.
No, this is.
Hmm.
This is the way it is, fresh. He already called.
I didn't hear you.
It was missing at first.
Oh.
And I just printed our ways, but now I found the fresh.
So we'll just toss this.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's get Mr. Green on his way.
Okay.
First, he may have to come back. All right, ticket number 8. Let me strike that 0847083 1 count 1 and count 2 are gonna be dismissed due to the age of the ticket. Ticket number 12460731 is gonna be dismissed for the age of the ticket.
Okay.
The ticket numbers 18383684, counts 1, 2, and 3. I'll waive the late and I'll waive the reinstatement fee, get them back to the original cost of the ticket. And then all we have to deal with at that point is ticket number 18383685. Set him up for trial date. If he wants, we'll deal with it on the date of trial. We'll give him offer right now if he wants.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Those
Please.
Dante Goss on behalf of the city. Your Honor, the you said he had some 18 cases that are civil. Were they associated with this misdemeanor case?
Yes.
Okay. I would dismiss the misdemeanor case, and he just have to take care of the civil matters.
Very well. That'll do it. You have to pay the civil matters on the 3 cases, sir. All the other cases will be dismissed, and you'll have to pay the reinstatement fees on the other cases. I'll waive the warrant fees. All right?
Okay.
Are you working, sir?
Part-time.
All right. When can you have this stuff paid?
What is the total?
Ms. Nash, are you gonna be able to do this now, or you
I
want?
can do it now because I was.
I can probably give them the total myself. 130. Plus. 105. 195. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 410. I mean, I got $610.
Okay. I can have it paid by next. Excuse me?
When can you pay it?
I can have it paid by next Friday.
That sounds like a good part-time job. You got, unless just flush with cash over here on Spring Garden.
That's not my current address.
Well, you gotta give, what's your current address, sir?
19711 Eureka, Detroit, Michigan, 48234.
Four eight
48234. 48234.
That's EUREKA.
Yes.
Are you gonna pay it on March the 25th, or are you gonna pay it before then and come back March 25th?
The 25th is Friday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pay about it. Yeah, I can come down there on the 25th.
All right, when you
I'll
come,
back.
I want you to come up to the courtroom
Okay.
with your receipt,
Okay.
and we'll close it out, all right? March 25th, I'll see you back at 8:25 a.m. or
All right, thank you.
thereabouts. All right, have a
Thank
great
you.
day, sir.
You too.
All right, that seems like it'll do it. Unless Mr. Green wants to stick around some more.